Get into a car with value. 2019 Chevrolet Suburban. With less than 35,000 miles on the odometer, this vehicle provides excellent value. The Chevrolet Suburban, the full-size SUV with the utility of a truck and the comfort and amenities of the ultimate family cruising vehicle. The following are some of this vehicle's highlighted options: keyless entry, power passenger seat, backup camera, satellite radio, 8-cylinder engine, heated mirrors, remote engine start, third row seat, steering wheel audio controls, power driver seat. No muss, no fuss. The Suburban has you covered in style. Take a test drive today.